Hi, it's Amy and thanks for watching Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do an Ocean Vibes set of nails with a marble effect and some foil. Enjoy! So we're going to start off again with my favourite nude pink gel polish, which is Shy Time, which is a lovely nude base. I've gave these nails 2 coats on each nail. These are on an aqua gel base, so they don't need base coat or anything like that. So to start, we're going to take our palette and we're going to use 4 colours. The first one being Abyss. So we need a nice line of that. Then we're going to use Snow White. I like to put these in a line because if we're doing all of the nails, it just stretches a bit further than making a big blob. Then we're going to go in with one of the Stardust Collection Midnight Muse, which is a gorgeous deep blue with a sparkle. Put a layer of that next to it. And then finally Ocean Ridge, which is another lovely deep dark blue. I'm just going to put a few little splodges. And then just to mix it up again, I'm just going to put some splotches of white. I'm going to take the hand in each nail, and I'm going to use the Neo Nails ombre brush. And I'm going to mix that slightly and have some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint-free pad to hand to wipe your brush in between. So wiping our brush, I'm going to scoop up a little bit. We're just going to essentially make waves. You don't get all the colours you want, just go back in. And pop that in the lamp to cure for 10 seconds. And we're going to go back in with each one, put down some colour, and then just moving that around to how you want it. It's going for a wavy look, it doesn't have to be straight. Pop that in the lamp to cure for 10 seconds, and then just continue that on all 5 fingers. Try to get a nice mismatch of the colours in, like waves. And then pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So whilst we're waiting for that, we'll take our foil. I'm going to use a nice gold holographic colour. And with some gel residue wipe off solution on a clean lint-free pad, we're just going to clean that down and take any of that sticky layer off because they're quite pigmented. Not as pretty as itself. But then we're going to take some foil glue, take our 001 brush, and with each finger we're going to just trace bits where you want the foil to go. And you can see where the sparkle is as well, just popping through. Looks nice and cute. Pop that hand into cure for 30 seconds, and then when that's done, we'll take our foil and we're just going to press it on little places. There's no full coverage, it's just cute and wave-like. Spot clients' nails if they've got long ones. And then I'm going to go in with gel top coat and top coat each nail. And then pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then when they've come out of the lamp after 60 seconds, we'll go in with my fave Cuticle Oil Pink Pineapple because it smells lush and rehydrate those cuticles. And there we have it, a nice Ocean Vibes marble nail with a bit of smattering of foil. So thanks for watching today. If you've liked this video, give us a thumbs up and please feel free to leave a comment in the comment box below. The products that we've used will be linked in the description box below as well, and you can find them on the Neo Nails website. Thanks for watching. Bye!